Okay, so for this question, I'm going to have to create a system of equations from these two different days. So on Tuesday, the restaurant collected $450, selling 42 appetizers and 19 desserts. So that would be 450 equals 42A plus 19D. My next equation would be 432 equals 27A plus 36D. So I'm going to write those two equations down. Okay, so now solving this, I can try and solve it using substitution, or I can try solving it using elimination. There's not like an easiest way for this, so it's based on personal preference. I'm just going to use substitution. So I want to isolate one variable, so I'm going to choose to isolate this A value here. So if I want to isolate A, I'm going to subtract 36D to both sides. So 27A is equal to 432 minus 36D, and then I'm dividing by 27. So I want to divide both of these by 27 and then figure out if it goes in evenly or not. Chances are it's actually not going to go in evenly. Well, this question is okay. So I know that I'm going to separate these fractions out. So 432 over 27 minus 36 over 27. Now the reason why I separated them out like this is because I know that 9 goes into 36, 9 times 4, and I know 9 goes into 27. So I'm going to reduce this to 4 over 3, just to make it a little bit easier. And then I want to figure out how I can reduce 432 divided by 27. I first want to see if it can divide evenly. So 432 divided by 27. I know that, let's see. So it actually can't go into 1, so we're going to say, yeah. So 27 can go into 43 once. So we get 16. Bring down the 2. Now I want to figure out how many times 27 can go into 162. So I'm just going to say, start with 5. Let's see if 5 works. 10, 11, 12, 13. Nope. So let's try 6. So 6 works. So I know that 432 divided by 27 is equal to 16 minus 4 over 3D. Okay, now that I've isolated the variable, I've done the hard part. I circle what that variable equals, and I plug it back into the A in the other equation. So I'm going to replace this whole thing with that A. So, going over here, I get 450 is equal to 42 times 16 minus 4 over 3D plus 19D. So the first thing I'm going to do, now I have to solve for D, is I'm going to distribute this 42. So I have 42 times 16